lot of people don't know that we have this section of our website, but this is the freebies section. Watch this video. I have a resources. It's 39 different links of contracts and tools and apps and everything already built for you. Accelerate your career. I've got another website, which is a directory website. It's completely free and you're invited there. I built you a contract that you can download and then cross-reference with what you've already got. I do have spreadsheets, 10 different spreadsheets for different percentages, completely free. I've got social media, Facebook and Instagram post with the pictures. It's 101 different ones. You can go ahead and steal that. The thing about this is that's 2 years worth of stuff if you do one a week. This is coming soon. Deal or No Deal is a Facebook group that I'd like to invite you to cross-reference the riff-raff in this industry and call people out for the stuff if they don't pay or if they do shoddy work or whatever. I've got legal service, which is for contract checking. I've got LLC preparation. I've got DUI stuff, IRS audits. And then right here, big time, is supplements and estimates. This is what we do, guys. We're Xactimate specialists. So the first one's on the house, completely and totally free. We have a 72-hour turnaround.